everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel that is ESA means English with Sumaya Azam, and this is your English teacher from Kathia Public School. Today we are going to start with a new lesson from your NCERT class 9th, that is in the Kingdom of Fools, which is your lesson number 4 there in your book Moments. As you can know from the name of the lesson only, in the Kingdom of Fools, which has been written by A.K. Ramanujan, that this is a story about a kingdom where it was completely filled with some or the other fools. Means if I just talk about the kingdom of it, so what the king of this kingdom thinks is that actually he was just not knowing that how to rule his kingdom. उसको नहीं पता था कि अपने kingdom पे किस तरह से काम करना है. So this is the reason why he thought to do something new. So he just decided to do something new for his people. Now, just in order to do something new, what is planned is that he'll be just doing everything in the opposite way. Means he just instructed his members, he instructed his whole kingdom that each and every one will be following the schedule just opposite to the other kingdoms. बाकी kingdoms में जो भी हो रहा था उनसे बिल्कुल opposite वो लोग follow करेंगे. Means if the people there were working out throughout the day, so these people used to sleep during the day. And those people in the other kingdoms, when they were sleeping at night, these people were awake as well as they were working hard at the night. So this is how anyway the things were going on. And he also instructed along with it that anyone who disobeyed him, कोई भी अगर उसकी बात नहीं मानता है, that person will be punished and or else he will be just hanged till death. This was something which was decided by this king, who was the king of this kingdom of fools. Now, the things were going on. चीजें चल रही थी जैसा कि इस king ने order किया हुआ था. The things were going in that very manner only. A day came when a guru, along with a disciple, एक गुरु अपने शिष्य के साथ इस kingdom में आते हैं. And what he saw is that the place is such beautiful. The place was just so beautiful to live in. But then what he thought is that the place is so beautiful, but still he is unable to find any person here. Although it was the daytime, what he was seeing is that everywhere there is no one to talk with. वहाँ पे कोई ऐसा नहीं था जिससे बात कर सके या कुछ पूछ सके. Because the king had decided that everyone will be sleeping during the daytime and at the night they'll be working. Even the cattle and the other things, other animals were also trained the same. उनको भी same तरह से train कर दिया गया था कि they'll be working at the night and were sleeping throughout the day. So when this guru along with his disciple, they both were there and they were so hungry, but then they were unable to find anyone there on the roadside. Now this place was very beautiful. They were so much attracted by this place, but seeing all these strange things that nobody is there, the guru felt a bit confused that why these things are happening. There is no one. And as soon as the sun started setting down, as soon as the sun set, it was the evening time, and slowly what he saw is that the people are coming out of their houses. Now all the shops were there opened, as well as the farmers went away there to their fields. All the cattle were rearing. Means everything was happening over there, just opposite to the other kingdom. बाकी kingdom से जो काम दिन में होता था, यहाँ पे वो काम रात में हो रहा था. So what Guru thought is that this is something strange about this kingdom. यहाँ के बारे में कुछ अजीब है. Means he had never seen such thing to be followed at some other places. कहीं और पे उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं देखा था. Anyways, now when these two persons were so hungry, they went to a shop and what they found is, जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ की currency है रुपए. We are having the currency. इनके यहाँ भी एक currency थी, that was dodo. This was the currency of this kingdom. What they found is that each and everything, आप एक चीज लो या चार चीजें लो, for each and everything you have to pay just one dodo. आप चाहो 1 banana लो, आप चाहे 1 dozen banana लो, चाहे आप 2 dozens banana लो, what you have to pay is just 1 dodo. So although they were so hungry, they just started eating. As they were so hungry, they just started eating. But then this Guru thought, गुरु को ये चीज समझ आ गई थी. He realized this thing that this is just a kingdom of fools, और यहाँ पे रहना एक बहुत बड़ी बेवकूफी होगी, as well as it will be something कि ये अपने साथ साथ इनको भी trouble देंगे. So what Guru said to his disciple that okay, anyhow today we will be just spending out this night over here. हम ये रात यहाँ पे spend करेंगे and in the morning itself we will leave from here. But then Shishya was just blank. What he thought is कि नहीं, within 1-2 we are getting so much to eat, and he was so just attracted by these things. वो इतना ज़्यादा pleased था इन सब चीजों से that he thought that no, I'll be staying here only. So Guru just tried to convince him. Guru ने बहुत try किया to convince his disciple, but then the disciple was like that no, I have to stay here only because I am getting so much to eat within just one dodo. So anyways, Guru left his disciple and he just went away from there. The things were going on. The disciple, when he found that in one dodo he will be getting so much to eat, he just every time he just used to keep on eating and eating. And a day came when he got so fat. आया तो था वो बिल्कुल thin बन के, but then after eating so much he became too fat. The days passed on. One day an incident took place. There was one thief. एक बहुत ही rich merchant था और एक thief उसके घर जाता है for stealing out the things. So what he did is, wherever there was the wall of the house, he just made a hole into it. There was a wall. There was a wall of the house of the merchant. What he did is he just made a hole in that wall and just jumped away there into the house. He tried to steal away the thing, and while he was coming back, वो सब चुरा के वापस आ ही रहा था, that this wall started shaking और वो उसी thief के ऊपर गिर जाती है. He was dead on the spot. Now, this thief's brother, we got the entry of thief's brother. When this thief's brother found that his brother has been is all dead while he was there stealing out the things from the house of this merchant, he straight away went to the king for the justice. और इन्होंने वहां जाकर के ये कंप्लेन की that although my brother was thief and he has been doing this work for the last many years, वो काफी सालों से काम कर रहा है, काम in the sense he was just stealing out the things only. So he went to the king and said that my brother has been doing this business for the last many years, but then today because of the fault of this merchant, इस merchant की गलती की वजह से he made this wall so weak that my brother lost his life. Now, what the king thought, all as we discussed that the kingdom was of fools, this king was a fool. What he ordered his ministers was, he ordered his soldiers to bring that merchant or he will also be killed. As the punishment, he will also be killed. They called the merchant. What merchant said this? Now, when merchant came to that kingdom, उस palace में पहुंचता है और जब उसको मालूम होता है that king has ordered him to be killed just as a punishment, what he said is that this wall was built at the time of my father. ये मेरे फादर के टाइम पे ये बनाई गई थी, and I know that builder who has built this wall and it's not my mistake. ये मेरी गलती नहीं है, ये दीवार बनवाई थी मेरे पापा ने. My father has asked that builder to build this wall and it is just the fault of this builder जिसने इतनी कमजोर दीवार बनाई that it got break. So now the king ordered his soldiers to get that builder also there. अब उस builder को बुलाया जाता है to know that what was the reason, and then the king ordered that okay, in the place of at the place of this merchant, now this builder will be killed. What the builder said is that although I was making that wall, मैं ही उस wall को बना रहा था, and I agree to their point that yes, I confess this thing that yes, I made that weak wall, but then the mistake was not mine. ये गलती भी मेरी नहीं थी. All the fault was there of a dancer. There was one dancer जो बार बार उस रास्ते से निकल रही थी, and because उसकी जो पायल की जो आवाज, उसके घुंघरू की जो आवाज थी, I was getting distracted because of it. मैं तो अपने काम में I was paying attention to my work only. I was concentrating on my work only. This is what the builder said, कि मैं तो अपने काम पे कंसंट्रेट कर रहा था, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट डांसर जो वहां से बार बार निकल रही थी, उसके घुंघरू की आवाज से आई गॉट सो डिस्ट्रैक्टेड दैट आई डिडंट इवन रियलाइज कि आई मेड दैट वॉल सो वीक कि वो एक इंसान के चढ़ने की वजह से वो गिर जाएगी. नाउ व्हाट द किंग ऑर्डर्ड, as we discussed that he was just a fool, the king ordered to call that dancer now again the soldiers went और उस डांसर को लेके आते. अब जो कि ये बात बहुत पुरानी है, so now at the current time this dancer has grown up to be old. She has grown up to be old now. When she was called and the king told her that you will be killed because of your distraction. This builder has made the wall so weak, and because of building the wall so weak, this thief's brother has lost his life. So this dancer was like that, okay fine, मैं आपकी बात मानती हूँ that this builder got distracted because of me and because of which this thief's brother lost his life, but the mistake is not all mine. मैं वहां से बार बार निकल रही थी because there was a goldsmith. मैंने उसको अपना कुछ गोल्ड दिया हुआ था to convert it or to make the jewelry of it. मैंने एक गोल्डस्मिथ को, एक सुनार को अपना मैंने गोल्ड दिया हुआ था to make the jewelry of it, and he was making that work delay. वो उस काम को डिले इतना कर रहा था कि मुझे बार बार उस जगह से निकलना पड़ रहा था, because of which this builder got distracted and because of which he built that wall so weak that the thief's brother lost his life. Now this dancer claimed that because it was all the fault of this goldsmith. Merchant claimed that the mistake was all of the builder, क्योंकि उसने ये wall इतनी weak बनाई. Builder claimed that the mistake was of this dancer because of her, that sound of the anklet and all, he was getting distracted. Now again this dancer claimed that the mistake was all of that goldsmith, क्योंकि वो बार बार उसको उसके काम को डिले कर रहा था, because of which she was passing from that road again and again. Now this goldsmith was called. There was something new again. When this goldsmith was called, what he told is that okay, yes, I can confess. जब king ने उसको बताया that yes, this is the things and this is how this accident took place, and now you will be killed, you will be punished for this thing. So the goldsmith got agreed. He was like that, okay fine, मैं इस चीज को मानता हूँ कि मेरी गलती है, but why the things got delayed, मैं इस डांसर की ज्वेलरी टाइम पे क्यों नहीं दे पाया, was because there was a marriage ceremony at the house of a merchant. एक बहुत ही rich merchant था जिसके घर पे एक फंक्शन था और मुझे उसकी ज्वेलरी टाइम से पहुंचानी थी. I got the order from there, मुझे उसकी ज्वेलरी टाइम पे पहुंचानी थी, because of which the things got delayed. Now when the king asked that who was that merchant जिसके फैमिली पे तुम्हें वो ज्वेलरीज पहुंचानी थी, the merchant was the same जिसके घर पे वो thief का brother went there for stealing the thing. This was the same merchant. Now this foolish king, what he said is that the things are fine, ये गलती तुम्हारी थी, तुम्हारे फादर ने ये ऑर्डर दिया हुआ था, now you will be punished for this. So the merchant was like that, why should I be punished? वो जो ज्वेलरी का ऑर्डर दिया वो मेरे फादर ने दिया था, why should I be punished for that? So what the king said is कि after the death of your father you became the owner of his property. आपने उसकी सारी प्रॉपर्टी ली, so you will be only punished for his mistakes also. जब आपने उसके मरने के बाद उनकी सारी प्रॉपर्टी आपने रखी, उनका सारा पैसा आपने रखा, तो डेफिनेटली उन्होंने जो गलती की है उसकी सजा भी आपको ही मिलेगी. So for this merchant was now decided that now this merchant will be punished for it. The soldiers and the ministers, they started making that preparations for that for killing him, and what they made was a stake. They made a stake, and what they think is that this merchant will be killed by keeping there on that stake. जब इस मर्चेंट को ले जाया जाता है, व्हाट दे फाउंड इज कि जो उन्होंने स्टेक बनाया था, दैट वाज टू मीन्स ही वाज दिस मर्चेंट वाज नॉट एबल टू बी एडजस्टेड ऑन दैट, क्योंकि वो जो स्टेक था वो बहुत ज्यादा मोटा था, बट दिस मर्चेंट वाज अ थिन पर्सन. सो नाउ व्हाट द किंग थॉट कि ये तो दिस इज नॉट फेयर कि जो हमारा जो स्टेक है वो इतना मोटा है एंड द पर्सन हु इज टू बी पनिश्ड ही इज सो थिन. सो फाइनली किंग डिस्कस द थिंग्स विद हिज मिनिस्टर्स, अपने मिनिस्टर्स के साथ चीजों को डिस्कस करता है एंड व्हाट द कंक्लूजन केम वाज कि वी विल जस्ट फ्री अवे दिस मर्चेंट, हम इस मर्चेंट को यहाँ से भेज देंगे एंड एट हिज प्लेस कोई दूसरा पर्सन जो सेम इस स्टेक पे पूरी तरह से एडजस्ट हो जाएगा, दैट पर्सन विल बी punished. Now he ordered his soldiers to go there and search for such a person, and when they were searching they met with this disciple. इस गुरु के शिष्य से मिलता है जिसके गुरु ऑलरेडी जा चुके थे, and the disciple was like that no, here in just one dodo I am getting so much to eat, so I'll be staying here only. तो वो इसको लेके चले जाते हैं. Now when this disciple reached there, और इसको बताया जाता है कि you will be punished, so he was like that what did I do? मैंने तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं किया है, what mistake I committed कि जिसके लिए मुझे पनिश किया जाएगा. So the king told that okay, you have not committed any mistake, तुमने कोई गलती नहीं की है, but the thing is कि हमने जो स्टेक बनवाया है वो ऐसा है and the person who is to be punished वो उस पर एडजस्ट नहीं हो पाया, पूरी तरह से फिट नहीं हो रहा है, so at his place you will be punished. डिसिपल को अब ये बात समझ आ गई थी कि वो चाहे जितनी भी कोशिश कर ले वो यहाँ से बच नहीं पाएगा, he won't be able to escape from here. So he was just remembering his guru. वो बार बार अपने गुरु को याद करता होता है ना कि during our exams, majorly it happens at the time of exam, कि हम एग्जाम्स में होते हैं, हमको नहीं आते तो we'll be just searching for our teachers. वो आज एक छोटी सी अगर मुझे एक हिंट दे दे तो I'll be able to complete all these things. So the same thing was happening there. Although this disciple was about to lose his life, he was just remembering his guru. उसको बार बार अपने गुरु बस याद आ रहे थे. His guru, we should say that he was the one who was able to know the future as well. वो present, past, future सब कुछ वो जान लेते थे. So he got those senses के उनको ये चीज realize होने लगी थी that his disciple is in some or the other trouble. वो किसी तरह की मुश्किल में है and I should reach there. In the meantime, while they were making that preparations for killing him, this guru went there and said to the king. किंग से बोलते हैं कि ओके व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि अगर मेरे गुरु बड़ा है या शिष्य बड़ा है. सो किंग वाज लाइक दैट ऑब्वियसली गुरु इज दैट द बिगर अथॉरिटी, बिगर पर्सन. सो गुरु सेड दैट यू शुड फर्स्ट किल मी. गुरु और डिसिपल ये ऑलरेडी ये लोग इस चीज का डिस्कशन कर चुके थे एंड दे जस्ट प्लान्ड आउट द थिंग्स एंड गुरु सेड टू द किंग यू शुड फर्स्ट किल मी, आप पहले मुझे मारो फिर इसको मारना. एंड डिसिपल वाज लाइक दैट नो, फर्स्ट किल मी देन किल माय गुरु. सो दे स्टार्टेड क्वारलिंग ओवर देयर, वहां पे झगड़ने लगते हैं एंड किंग वाज जस्ट कंफ्यूज्ड कि मरने के लिए कोई इतना ज्यादा कैसे मरने के लिए कोई इतना ज्यादा कैसे बेचैन हो सकता है. दैट दे बोथ आर रेडी, दे बोथ आर फाइटिंग ओवर टू बी किल्ड फर्स्ट. द किंग कॉल्ड द गुरु और उनसे पूछते कि ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो. गुरु टोल्ड कि मुझे पता है ये जो स्टेक है इट इज अ प्लेस ऑफ गॉड, ये गॉड की प्लेस है, यहाँ पे जो भी पहले मरेगा दैट पर्सन विल बी मेड द किंग ऑफ द सेम किंगडम. तो मैं ये चाहता हूं आप पहले मुझे मारो फिर मेरे शिष्य को, सो दैट आई विल बी द किंग हियर, और वो जो मेरा शिष्य है वो बाद में मरेगा तो ही विल बी द मिनिस्टर हियर. सो किंग अग्री टू दैट पॉइंट, वहां पे तो उस चीज के लिए अग्री कर जाते हैं एंड देन ही स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग. उन्होंने अपने मिनिस्टर्स के साथ इस चीज के लिए डिस्कस किया कि हाउ इज दिस पॉसिबल कि जो जगह मेरी है वो कोई और राज्य करेगा वहां पर. सो ही ऑर्डर्ड हिज सोल्जर्स, अपने सोल्जर को बोलते हैं कि काम करो, इस गुरु को, इस शिष्य को रात में यहां से निकाल देना एंड एट देयर प्लेस आई विल सेंड 2 more पर्सन, 2 दूसरे कैदियों को मैं भेजूंगा और उनको मार देना रात में. सो दे अग्रीड, ओके फाइन. And they just freed that guru and his disciple, और रात में दूसरे 2 persons वहां पे आते हैं and the soldiers just kill them. In the morning when they were going to bury their dead body, जब उनकी बॉडी को ले जाया जा रहा था, they were completely astonished to see कि ये जो 2 person जिनको मारा गया था They were that king and his ministers. जिन दो लोगों को मारा गया है, या ये कह लूं मैं जो दो लोग खुद मरने आए थे, they were the king and the ministers, जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ इस लालच में आए थे. They were so greedy कि they were thinking कि हाँ जो यहाँ पे पहले मरेगा that person will be the king and the second one to be killed will be the minister. तो इसी होप के साथ वो गए थे, but they never know कि this guru has played a trick on them. In this way, this king and the ministers were killed. After this, now the people were just worried about it कि who will be looking after this whole kingdom. इस kingdom को कौन संभालेगा? So what people decided is that the same guru will be made the king here. Firstly, though the king he just simply denied that no, I don't want to be the king here. But then this disciple was ready. ये पूरी तरह से ready था कि नहीं ठीक है मैं minister बनूंगा. But then when people convinced him a lot, finally they were able to convince Guru for this, and Guru वहाँ पे king बनने को तैयार हो जाते हैं on one condition कि the things will be here normal. जो rules and regulations पहले यहाँ पे follow होते थे, now those rules and regulations will not be followed. जो भी यहाँ पे होगा that things will be a normal one. जो normal हमारे दूसरे राज्यों में होता है वैसा ही यहाँ पे होगा. I'll be doing good for the welfare of my किंगडम. मैं अपने राज्य के लिए जरूर कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा करूंगा, बट देन ये जो रूल्स हैं रात में जगने का, दिन में सोने का, these all things will not be followed. And very soon this guru became the king there, this disciple became the minister over there, and the kingdom was no more now called the kingdom of fool. So this was all the story. I hope you people understood it. This much is not sufficient. Once go through your lesson also, just read out the story one. It's an interesting one and you'll definitely like it reading it. Wish you all the very best. Keep on preparing your lessons. Have a good day. Stay at home. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Thank you so much. See you soon. Take care.